The Philippines-Russia defense and security cooperation is on the right track, according to Russian ambassador to the Philippines Igor Khovaev. He made this assessment when asked to comment on whether he is satisfied with how defense cooperation between the two countries has moved forward since President Duterte made two separate visits to Russia in 2017 and 2019. "Yes, we are on the right track," Khovaev told reporters. He said Russia attaches utmost importance to defense cooperation with the Philippines, relations which have shown a sizable increase under Duterte's government. "We are ready and we are taking the actions necessary to help your country improve your defense capabilities," Khovaev added. But Khovaev declined to comment if Duterte's statement canceling the visit agreement, VFA, would benefit Philippine-Russian relations. "As a Russian diplomat, I am not in a position to comment on the development of your domestic politics and about relations between the Philippines and other countries," he said. Shortly after Duterte's second visit to Russia in October last year, Khovaev confirmed that the Philippines and Russia were actively working on the acquisition of several Russian Mi-171 helicopters for the armed forces of the Philippines. He added that Russia also wanted to increase military-to-military exchanges with the Philippines, such as training Filipino cadets in Russian military institutions and joint military training organizations with AFP. He stressed that all offers from Russia were made without political conditions. The Mi-171 is a Soviet-Russian helicopter in production at two factories in Kazan and Ulan-Ude. It is known as the Mi-8M series in Russian service. It is a medium twin-turbine transport helicopter. There are also armed gunship versions. Developed from the basic Mi-8 airframe, the Mi-171 was fitted with the larger Klimov TV3117MT engines, rotors, and transmission developed for the Mi-14, along with fuselage improvements for heavier loads. Optional engines for hot and high conditions are the 1,545 kilowatts 2070 shp Isotop TV3117BM. The designation Mi-171 is for export. Russian armed forces call it Mi-8 mount. The Mi-171 can be recognized because it has the tail rotor on the port side instead of the starboard side, and dust shields in front of the engine intakes. Engine cowls are shorter than on the TV2-powered Mi-8, not extending as far over the cockpit, and an opening for a bleed air valve outlet is present forward of the exhaust. Actual model numbers vary by builder, engine type, and other options. As an example, the 16 new Ulan-Ude-built machines delivered to the Czech Air Force in 2005 with VM model engines were designated as Mi-171 Shush, a development of the Mi-8AM TSH. Modifications include a new large door on the right side, improved Czech-built APU, and Kevlar armor plates around the cockpit area and engines. 8 have a loading ramp in place of the usual clamshell doors and can load a vehicle up to the size of an SUV. In May 2008, licensed production of the Mi-171 started in China, with production being led by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant JSC and the Sichuan Lanshan Helicopter Company Limited in Chengdu, Sichuan Province. The plant built 20 helicopters in 2008. Using Russian Ulan-Ude supplied kits, production is expected to reach 80 helicopters per year eventually. The variants to be built by Lanshan will include the Mi-171, Mi-171V5, and Mi-171V7.